Hey there, my name is Chenda Kafor and I'm the CEO and founder of Jobim Clothing, where we give you African flair for your everyday wear. So today I'm going to be out and about. I have this look that I put together. Here's the head wrap that I'm wearing today. If you would like to see how this head wrap was tied and see how I coordinated this outfit, then stay tuned. All right, so getting started, here's our elastic band. I put that over my head and push it up to get our hair up to the top of our head and out the way. I like these bands. I get them from Dollar Tree. They come 3 or 5 in a pack because I stay losing them. Either which way. Hair is up at the top of our head. And now we're going to get our head wrap and we're going to fold the part that's going to go at the nape of our neck down about 1 inch or 2. This is going to help your hair from sliding. If you have trouble with the head wrap sliding, this will help give it a little bit more stability. So we're going to place it at the back of our head. We're going to bring the ends towards the front and tie it right over left and pull it as snug as you would like, however it's comfortable for you. I personally like mine's tight, and I also like to keep my ears tucked, but that is just a personal preference. And that little that black piece that's there, if it really bothers you, you can fold it up under, and then at the top there was still a hole there, and all I did was just press that section down to where it covers up the hole. Now I'm taking the ends, crossing them from side to side, and I'm twisting each side. So I already did the right hand side. Now I'm doing the left hand side, and we're going to tie it in the back behind our puff, if you will. Then after that's tied, it doesn't have to be super tight because your first tie made it tight. Now we're taking those ends, continue to twisting them, and we're going to tuck them in where we just wrapped it. Then you just do your final touches, make sure it's good for you, make sure it's nice and snug, and then you're good to go.